Over 2,700 finished square feet on Holland's north side, and you're just minutes from Lake Michigan. This ranch gives you 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and 2 living rooms right on the main floor. The full addition adds even more space with a second living area and another bedroom. Downstairs, the newly finished basement adds more than 1,100 square feet with a rec space, a non-conforming bedroom, and plenty of storage. Outside, you've got a fenced lot just under 4/10 of an acre, plus a 2-stall garage. And the location puts you close to parks, Hope College, downtown Holland, Tulip Time, Windmill Island Gardens, and of course, the beaches at Holland State Park. This is 2557 Miles Standish, the size, updates, and Holland location you've been waiting for.